National McAfee knob. I am here. At the top of McAfee knob. I made it. I just sat down over there, had a sandwich, had some water, just taking in the scenery, and now I'm about to leave. Safe travels. This is where all the hikers are on this cold winter McAfee knob. Walking back is always easier. Going down hills, way easier. The wind has picked up a lot. I'm seeing more and more people. It's 10, I think it's 10:30. But the wind is picking up. And I have some pep in my step. Now that I'm going back down, it's a lot easier. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I don't want to get lost. I think I'm going this way. Yeah, I had to always be mindful of the Appalachian signs. Can you believe I'm on the Appalachian Trail? I mean, this is amazing. Just started hiking 3 months ago, and I'm doing big hikes. Let me put the phone down for a minute so I can figure this out. Okay, so I just got back on the by road. My experience hiking up there was a lot of ice. So that's why I had to take my time, because it was more ice than I thought it was. But I was ready for it. And shout out to my trekking poles because I almost fell twice and it saved me. It saved me. So let me go ahead and put on my backpack and let's get on this fire road and get these 2 miles and 2 more miles and I'll be done with this trip. I was walking up here, I saw these logs. This is the fire road back down from McAfee now. Oops. This is the fire road coming back from McAfee now. My mom just texted me. She said, "You're not finished yet? The app said you should be finished." No, Mom. I am taking my time on this trail. I have about 20 more minutes. I really took my time. I am so glad I came by myself because I would have held up a lot of people. Ooh. I had a great time and I can't wait to do this again. That sign. Still heading back down. Not too much longer now to get to my car. Excellent hike. I enjoyed it. I didn't like the ice part of it, but I was very prepared And I'll definitely be doing this hike again. Actually, I'm gonna be doing the Virginia Triple Crown, and McAfee Knob is part of that Triple Crown. I think it's Tinker's Cliff, Dragon Tooth, McAfee Knob. So I will be back to do the Triple Crown. Coming back to where I started. This is where I started. Now I just got to cross the street. And these cars fly by. And look at how I got over this pole. Just my long legs. I did it. I'm sitting in my car, taking off my hiking boots and putting on my tennis shoes, heading back to Virginia Beach. I'm gonna tell you, it was a very great hike. I almost fell 3 times, but my trekkie poles saved me. It was a lot of ice out there. Right at the end, it was a lot of winds. But going up all those steps, it was very challenging. You know, I've been working out and I've been using the stair climber to help me for going up the elevation. It's nothing like doing the real thing. My watch said I did almost 9 miles, but I don't, because you can't park right, they had the construction, so I had to park a little further. But right now I'm sitting in the car. I'm just trying to let my hands defrost a little bit. My nose has stopped running. I have a lot of fruit in here that I'm eating. I ate a sandwich when I was at the top of McAfee Knob. I had the rest of my breakfast at the top. But when I do this again, I'm going to do the Virginia Triple Crown, which McAfee Knob is a part of. So I'll be doing McAfee Knob. Oh, they got the police. Oh, okay. I wonder what he's doing. I guess he's just making sure everyone's parked right. And I am parked right. As long as you parked on the shoulder. Okay, I'm sorry that. Okay, that threw me off. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna do McAfee Knob is a part of the Virginia Triple Crown. It is Dragon Tooth and Tinker Cliff, if I'm have that name right. So it's Tinker Cliff, Dragon Tooth, and McAfee Knob. They make up the Virginia Triple Crown in hiking. And so I just tackled one. But when I come here again, it's January. I have a hike in February, I have one in March. I think I'm gonna try to come here in May. The weather should be nice and I will be able to do all 3 in a weekend. I'm gonna stay at the same hotel that I just checked out of early this morning, which was very nice. So I'm gonna stay there at the same hotel and I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna do the Virginia Triple Crown. And I'm gonna be in way better shape than I am in now. If y'all would have saw all that huffing and puffing, I was so embarrassed. I mean, I've been working out, but it's nothing like going up these mountains. It's nothing like it. But I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be ready in May. And then at the end of the year, I'll be ready for the rim to rim. Grand Canyon.